The title of this poem is called One-Liners. I'd rather be a legacy instead of a memory. I'd rather die chasing my dream than not live at all. If you have confidence in yourself, you shouldn't be ashamed of yourself. If you hold your head down, you can't see what's in front of you. You can measure statistics. You can't measure dedication. The older the violin, the sweeter the music. It's the same old song, because it's the same old song. Let me explain before you explain. 5 minutes of pleasure can cause you years of misery. View me for who I am, not for who I was. For more Voice Man, stream VM.